Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted photos from iPhone. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. So the first thing you need to do is open the photos on your phone. Then, you have to scroll down and you will see an option here, recently deleted. And here, you will be able to see the photos you have deleted in the last 30 days and you can recover them. So let's say you want to recover this photo. Just click on it and then click recover photo. So that's simple and easy. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.